Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Aiman Haikal bin Hamidun, and today I am going to share the method on how to use Java to calculate kinetic energy. Here are the contents of my video. A little bit about kinetic energy. Definition. Kinetic energy is the energy of an object has due to a motion, and its formula is 1 over 2 mv squared. Palette used in the design of my G-frame form. For your information, in my design, I have used 2 tabs. And this is the diagram of my first tab, which is the tab 1. In the tab 1, the only palette that I use is label. We move to my second tab, which is the tab 2. It is different with tab 1 because in tab 2, it is not only label, there's also text field, button and text area. And the most exciting part is here, the coding part. Okay. As we can see here, this is my tab 1. Okay, in tab 1, I just put a bit information about kinetic energy. M is mass in kilogram, V is velocity, the unit is meter per second. And don't forget, in physics, the unit is very important and the unit for kinetic energy is joule. Okay, we move to tab 2. In tab 2, this is the most important tab because here is where we start to coding, to code. So in order to start our coding, we need to make sure that we change variable names for the text field, text area and button. Okay, here is the text area, text field, and all these three are buttons. So first we need to make sure that we change the variable name. Okay, as you can see, I have already changed its variable name into txta, and this one into txtb, and this one I have changed it to txt output. This one I have changed it to soft button, this one into reset button, and this one into exit button. So first thing we need to do in order to code, we code the soft button first. To code, we right click at the soft button, click on events, action perform. Okay, this is for the soft button. Firstly, we need to identify all the characters. I code string A equal to txta.getText, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. This string represents the character values of txta, which is the mass. And this coding also will return the text that is previously set by. This also applied to string B here, but it is for the velocity. Next is double dA equal to double dot pass double, open bracket, close bracket, open bracket, A, close bracket, semicolon. This coding is for returning a new double initialized by the string A. This also applied to the velocity, which is the B, and which is the B variable. Next is double C equal to dA times mass dot pop, open bracket, dB, comma 2, close bracket, slash 2, semicolon. This coding is for calculating a number raised to the power of some other number. In this situation, it is for the velocity, which is the power of 2. The coding continued to string result, then text txt output append, txt output dot append, open bracket result, close bracket, semicolon, and this is functioning to add data, which is the result. Okay, we already done with soft button. We move to our design back, and next we move to reset button. Like before, to code, click right, event, action perform. Okay, there are txt output, txt output here, txta, txtb, and it means that we have txt output, txt mass because A here, and txtb velocity. This is because in order to reset all things, we need to reset all things. In order to achieve that, all the A and B need to be put after the TST. If we put TST output only the result or the output will be reset, and those two will be remain. So in order to reset all, we need to put TSTA and TSTB. Then the coding process will remove TST output, remove TSTA, remove TSTB, revalidate, and repaint. Now we move back to our design and we move to the last coding part, which is the exit button. In order to coding, as I said before, we can we right click, event, action perform. But to be simple, we can just click right 2 times. Okay, it is same. Okay, this is for exit button. Exit button is the most easy part. It is just system.exit, open bracket 0, close bracket, semicolon. This will exit current program by terminating running Java virtual machine. Okay, now we need to test whether this Java program is successfully built or not. So just click here. Okay, we will see whether it is successful. Oh, it is successful. Okay, as we can see the result here, step 1 is my first step that I just showed to you before. Okay, step 2. Okay, in order to test whether my kinetic energy solver is successfully built or not, I have give you an example of question. Okay, I read. A ball has a mass of 2 kg. Suppose it travels at 10 meters per second. Find the kinetic energy possessed by it. Okay, now we need to identify the mass and the velocity and put in here. So mass there is 2 kg and velocity is 10 meters per second, and we can solve the kinetic energy. Okay, click the solve button. Okay, we did it. We get the 100 joule for the kinetic energy. As I said before, we need to reset this one, reset this one, and reset this one. If we get another question and we want to test another question, of course we need to reset this one and this one, right? So in order to achieve that, we click the reset button. Yeah, okay, it's all gone. It is successful also. Then in order to stop this Java program or this Java machine, we click the exit button and we have done. Okay, see here, build successful. 1 minute 25 seconds. Okay. Okay guys, now we move back to design part, because just now I just said something that is actually wrong. So now I want to fix it. Okay, I said that if we want to code easily without go to event, action perform, I said that we just double right click, right? But it is actually not double right click, it is actually double left click. Okay, that was an error from me. Okay, I already fixed it. Hope all of you not follow the wrong way. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.